Ready to continue in our math books? Okay, we are on page 186. Today in class we did 185, so we're going to start in 186, 186. Okay, you should be there, especially if you're keeping your cardboard in your book. It's real easy to find. Okay, if you're not there, of course, you can pause it. Okay, you've got a practice quiz page, a practice test. I want you to pause your video and do this page on your own, okay? You know how to do that. It's important that you try to do it. Es importante que intente de hacer la página solo, okay? Porque en tercer grado tiene que ser todo solo. Tú lo tienes en inglés y en español. Go ahead, pause your video and try to do it by yourself. Now, okay, did you do it? Everybody should have finished before they're looking at it. Here we go. What is the sum of 2 plus 4 plus 6? Okay, remember there's different ways you can do this depending on which numbers you do first. You can do 4 and 2. If you do 4 and 2, 4 más 2 son 6. Y 6 son dobles. 6 más 6. Do you know that? 6 and 6 is 12, right? Or look, did you see this 10? That's a 10. 6 and 4. 6 and 4 is a 10. So we got 10 and 2 is 12. Always look for a 10. That's the easiest. But 6 and 6 is pretty easy too. How about this one? I don't see a 10. What is the sum of 5 plus 4 plus 2? ¿Cuál es la suma de 5 más 4 más 2? I don't see a 10. So you just do 5 and 4. You remember 5 and 4 is 9, 4 and 4 is 8, and 1 more is 9. 9 and 2. Count on. 10, 11. Did you get that? These were both easy. Pretty easy, right? How about this? Write greater than, less than, or equal to compare. Okay, escriba mayor que, menor que, o igual que. Para comparar, right? In español. Okay, so we're going to look at the numbers to see which is bigger, right? Look at the hundreds first, not the tens, the ones, the hundreds. Always begin on this side. 6, 6, equal. So what do? Now we look at the tens. Ahora tenemos que mirar las decenas, porque los centenas son iguales. Mira las decenas. 8, 4, ganó este lado, es 8 más grande que 4, por eso el crocodilo come ese número. The crocodile eats that number. And what does it say? 688 is greater than 648. 688 es mayor que 648. Right? What number can be written as 4 tens and 2 ones? ¿Qué número puede escribirse como 4 decenas y 2 unidades? That's very easy. 4 tens, 2 ones. What number is that? 42. 4 decenas, 2 unidades, 42. Muy fácil, pero muy fácil. Oh, my pumpkin bread's in the... Oh, I don't have to move this. I can move this. Silly me. Okay. What number has the same value as 50 tens? Ay. Well, the way I like to do is just put the 50. It doesn't fit into the tens place. But if this is the tens, we have to put a 0 for the ones. 50 tens would be 500. Or you can think of it this way. 10 tens, that's 100. If you have 10 tens, right? 20 tens, 30 tens, 40 tens, 50 tens. 50 tens is 500. If these were 10 tens, 10 tens is 100, so you have 500. Okay? ¿Qué número tiene el mismo valor que 50 decenas? 500. What is the next number in the pattern? ¿Cuál es el siguiente número del patrón? Well, sometimes it's real easy if you say the numbers. 420, 520, 620, 720, 800, 820. What's changing? The ones stay the same. The tens stay the same. But the hundreds, 4, 5, 6, 7, 820. Las centenas cambió 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centenas. What are they adding, by the way, every time, boys and girls? They're adding 100. They're counting by hundreds, but they began at 420. Están contando de 100 en 100, pero empezando en 420. Por eso 820. Okay, we're going to start looking at these bar models. These are called bar models because they make a bar. A bar is like a big stick or a big pole, right? And to show, in this bar model, they're going to show you how to add two numbers and put the sum on the bottom. Okay, that's how we use a bar model. Now listen to this problem. A soccer team has 8 red balls and 7 yellow balls. So these are the reds. These are the yellows. You don't have to write it. No tiene que escribir. No más mirar. 8 reds, 7 yellows. How many balls do they have all together? What do you have to do? You have to add 8 plus 7. I know 7 and 7 is 14 doubles. So 8 and 7 is doubles plus 1. If 7 and 7 is 14, 8 and 7 is 15. 8 más 7 es 15. Porque 7 más 7 es 14. Por eso 1 más 8 más 7 15. Or you could do this. 8 and 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. 15 soccer balls. Now listen to this. The soccer team has 15 balls inside the locker room. The children took the 7 yellow balls outside. So this is our 15 balls, right? There's the 15 balls. You can look up here. If they took the 7 outside, how many are still left inside? 8. Watch again. Here's 15. If I take the 7 outside, what's left inside? The 8 red. So we can use bar models to add. This was 8 plus 7 equals 15. You can write that. We can use the bar model to add, or we can use the bar model to subtract. We began with the 15 inside, and we took the 7 yellows outside. Take away, how many are left? 8 were left. The 8 red ones were left. So these bar models they're going to be using for adding and subtracting. And we're going to do that tomorrow, but we'll do it in class, not today. We're going to save this for tomorrow in class. Okay, boys and girls? So we're already done. And you know what? We only used like 8 minutes today in our video. So we had a very short video. We did 2 pages. We're going to stop there. Okay, guys? See you tomorrow. Adios.